Hey guys, what's up? Making a special adventures video. I finally got a four-wheeler and Damon rebuilt his newer Ozark. I don't know if you guys seen it, but it's winter time. It's about 4 degrees out Fahrenheit, and we're gonna fucking make a video today. But we got his Ozark right here. It's missing the front plastics because he just rebuilt it, and he has to go through break-in. I have my blaster right here. It's a 99 Yamaha blaster, and maybe wondering why the floor is soaked and the engine's soaked and all that. My petcock leaks, and right now I can't really turn it because I messed with it and now it won't turn. So I'm fixing my petcock, and since it is freaking negative a million degrees out, I am going to rejet it because it doesn't run right now. But I will get back to you guys when either Damon shows up or I did something on the wheeler. Okay, so I got the petcock off of my pit bike and it was the same thing, so that don't leak no more. I drained all the gas in there. It's about to go on the wheeler. Then I gotta change jets. Shh, don't tell Damon, even though he's gonna be editing this. There we go. Okay, so after a little bit of time thinking, I found out that my slide was sticking, so I didn't have to jet it. That makes things better. But now I have to take my gas tank, put it back together, put the gas in it, put my carburetor back together, and then I'll get a clip of me starting it. Running mint! This is running mint, boys. Now I just have to finish braking. I only can go up to half throttle. But we're waiting for Damon to get back to go ride and make some trails. Okay guys, big change of plans. It's now about 10:30. And as you can hear, you can hear Damon's four-wheeler going. And if you can see, we're getting a bunch of snow. So I got the impact. We're gonna put his winter tires on it, and we're gonna make a video. And here's Damon.
Howdy.
And
we're putting the big boy tires on it because we're getting snow.
Yeah, we're getting about 6 to 9 inches right now. Shout out Larry. Here's my impact. We're gonna get the blaster going. The roads are slickery dickery.
I don't know if he told you, but we just rebuilt both these wheelers.
Yeah, I already told him.
Mine looks like crap because I need to put the front fender on, but I'm redoing it.
Yeah, I already told him everything.
Okay.
And yeah, we're gonna do some road drifties. The GoPro's probably gonna suck, but we're gonna put it on Damon's helmet.
I'm gonna go grab the tires real quick and I'll be right back.
There they are.
They're like 6 or 9 inches bigger, so.
Yeah. Shout out Larry. My freaking tires are amazing. These things just eat at the snow. I don't have tread on my front tires, neither does Damon, but
What?
you don't have tread on your front tires?
No, that one I don't have bad tread. The other one is bald.
This is my brother's SRV. It used to be mine last winter. And I used to have a Phaser. I sold that. This is my pit bike. It's laying on its side so it doesn't dump gas out because I took the petcock off of it. This is my brother's blaster. We've all done videos last winter, before Damon's house burnt down. we were riding this too. And then that's my brother's RM 125. It's got a blown top end. But yeah, we will.
I'll lift this up and you're gonna throw the jacks under it real quick.
Yeah, we'll get right back to you guys.
After we lift it up about 6 or 9 inches.
No, we're gonna get back to him once we're ripping. We'll have you on helmet. We're gonna freaking send down the road.
I don't even have a helmet cam. A helmet mount.
Oh, do you have any mounts? Well,
we'll figure something out.
Yeah, we'll probably just hold the camera because one-handed drift's fine. But that will be Damon's job because he don't have a clutch.
I do too. Nah.
Okay. See you. Bye. No fucking video last night because it was too dark.
Watch your language.
Sorry. It was too dark. So, woke up. Road's still slickery. And the yard's still slickery. We're going to do some trails.
Yeah, that's happening.
And I'm probably going to go take a poop and then get ready.
You know, I'm going to find something to eat. You guys can be with my Chef Boy RD thing shit. You want some sausage?
I already had something. You can have the 4 that I left.
When'd you have some?
Yesterday when you were gone.
Okay, guys, so how do I
even cook it on the oven.
Hey guys, welcome back to Special Adventures. Ethan was out with you guys yesterday, but we got some more snow, so it was too dark to really do anything last night, so we're gonna go ride this morning. I'm getting the pre-game workout with the sausage. Oh yeah. So we're kind of lazy, so we just microwave them. Stick them in there. 1 minute 30. Oh, okay. 1 minute works. And I'll get back to you guys when they're done. And then we'll work our way outside. Okay guys, my sausage is done. So, gonna munch these down. And then head right outside. So, yeah. We'll be with you guys very soon. Howdy.
Damon's getting gas and it's a wheeler. I'm gonna grab Sawzall. We're gonna go do some trails. I have a buddy come over later probably. And yeah, it's cold. We need to bundle out. Grab my batteries for my cordless Sawzall. He's gonna smash the snowbank. That's a jump. We're gonna pack that down to a shovel and make a jump. Oh, he's stuck. Hey, we're gonna make that jump.
Alright. I'm gonna try and get out of here now.
He's not gonna get out. His tires suck. But yeah, guys, we'll get back to when we're either jumping or making trails. Okay, have a good one.